Experiencing dropped calls or intermittent connectivity on T-Mobile? You're not alone. Service loss can stem from network congestion, especially during peak hours, or issues with tower handoffs as you move. Other culprits include misconfigured APN settings or software glitches. First, ensure your phone's location services are enabled. Then, update your carrier settings using the T-Mobile app. Try a network scan in your phone's settings to force a reconnection to the nearest tower. If reconnecting doesn't work, try resetting your APN and network settings. For APN, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Delete any existing APNs and manually add T-Mobile's default APS, tmobile.com. Next, perform a network reset. On Android, find this under Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. On iOS, toggle airplane mode on-off or reset network settings. Reboot your phone after these steps. These simple fixes often resolve most service loss issues.